Good afternoon, my dear little learners. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude and respect to all those who are conducting this online teaching program with this great initiative. Okay, dear students, how are teaching with you? I know due to staying at home, you are well and safe still now. I am also fine and safe today by the grace of Almighty. Okay, dear students, now I am here to discuss about a beautiful story with you. I hope you will enjoy with this story. So, dear students, be ready with your English book, exercise book, and a pen. Okay, then let's get started. Okay, dear students and all viewers, welcome to all in my class. At the very beginning, I would like to introduce myself in front of you. I am Deepa Mondol, assistant teacher for Model Government Primary School, Sodor Manikganj. Okay, dear students, before going to start our lesson, I will show some beautiful things in front you. I hope these things are very familiar to you. I know you all know that there are 6 seasons in our country. In different seasons, we enjoy a different beauty of nature. Okay, dear students, have a look. What is this? Can you guess? Yes, this is grasshopper. মানে হচ্ছে ঘাস ফড়িং। Now say, what is this? Yes, this is a bird. This bird is very common in Bangladesh. This is our national bird. Do you know the name of this bird? Yes, the name of this bird is Doel. Now say to me, what is this? This is banana tree. Now, what is this? This is a flower tree. This flower color is yellow. Now, say to me, do you know the name of this flower? Yes, the name of this flower is rose and its color is red. Dear students, have a look. What is this? Yes, this is an apple. Dear students, do you know what is this? Yes, these are various colors of flowers. Do you know the name of these flowers? Yes, the flower's name is tulip. Tulips bloom in spring and beginning start in winter, early to late. Okay, now say to me, what is this? Yes, there are 3 beautiful butterflies here. Spring season, butterflies fly from flower to flower. Okay, dear students, say to me, what is this? This is strawberry. We can get a lot of vitamin C from this fruit. Okay, thank you, dear students. Now say to me, in which season these things are common in our country? Yes, these things are common in our country in season of spring. Okay, dear students, now we will enjoy a beautiful video. Let's see a video.
The ground thaws. In April, you will see more rain showers. They help the plants grow. You can hear the birds singing sweet songs. The weather is getting warmer. The days are getting longer. The nights are getting shorter. You can see rainbows in the sky. Bears and frogs wake up from hibernation. You can see bunnies hop in the ground and scampering away. Trees bloom in the spring. Tiny buds appear on trees. Roots open into blossoms and leaves. The grass starts to grow. Plants begin to sprout. Flowers bloom. Many birds migrate back from their warm winter homes. They build nests. You can see beautiful butterflies flying around. Cute ladybugs. Tulips and daffodils bloom. Bees fly from flower to flower. You can see lambs in the fields. Chicks hatch from the eggs. You can hear ducklings quacking.
Okay, dear students, we enjoyed a beautiful video. Now say to me, what did you see in this video? Yes, a rainbow in the sky, flowers start bloom, birds sing a sweet song, bees fly from flower to flower. In April, we can see heavy rain that helps to grow plants. Okay, dear students, look at the pictures and think about these pictures. Have a look in these pictures and can you say what is this? Yes, this is a rainbow. Okay, dear students, have you ever seen the rainbow in the sky? Yes. Okay, do you know why rainbow is seen in the sky? Okay, now I am helping to know that rainbow is caused by reflection, refraction and dispersion of light in raindrops, resulting in the spectrum of light appearing in the sky. This is called rainbow. There are 7 colors in rainbow. অর্থাৎ রেইনবো এর বাংলা হচ্ছে রংধনু। এখানে আমরা কয়টি রং দেখতে পাই বলো তো? এখানে আছে আমাদের 7টি রং। এই 7টি রং বা রংধনু কখন তাহলে আমরা আকাশে দেখতে পাই? সূর্যের আলো যখন বৃষ্টির ফোঁটার মধ্যে দিয়ে বা বৃষ্টির পানির মধ্যে দিয়ে আলোর প্রতিসরণ ও আলোর বিচ্ছুরণ ঘটে, আমরা তখন আলোর একটি বর্ণালী রেখা আকাশে দেখতে পাই। এটি হচ্ছে রংধনু। এটা সাধারণত বৃষ্টির পরে আমাদের পূর্ব দিকের আকাশে আমরা দেখতে পাই। Next picture we see a bird is sitting on a branch of a flower tree. Dear student, do you know the name of this flower? Yes, this flower name is Palash. Next, this picture we see the sun has risen, it is dawn, the birds are sleeping. In this picture, we see a boy and a girl are running around the flower garden. Next picture, we see butterflies are flying from flower to flower. In this picture, we see a bird is singing a sweet song. Dear students, do you know the name of the bird? Yes, the bird name is cuckoo. Now say to me, in which seasons these are common in our country? Okay, these things are common in our country in spring seasons. Today's lesson is Life is Beautiful, Class 5, Subject English, Unit 20, Lessons 1 and 2. Maria is a Lord Osborne, page 78. Next, learning outcomes of this lesson. Okay, dear students, what can we see in these two pictures? There are two types of children reading the book in the picture. In first picture, we see they are reading by seeing the book, and in second picture, we see they are reading the book by using finger because they are visually impaired. New words of these lessons. Student, someone who is studying at a school, college or university. Neighborhood, a small area of a town or the people who live there. Neighborhood means a locality. Leaf, one of the flat green parts of a plant. Visually, in eyesight. Impaired, damaged or not work normally. Visually impaired, unable to see normally. Dear students, have a look this picture of impaired. Impaired, that means having disability of any kind of. It can be hearing impaired, visually impaired and intellectual impaired. Unable, not able to do something. Since, from a definite past time until now or before the present time. Dear students, look at the table. Again, see the words with English meaning. Student, someone who is studying at a school, college or university. Neighborhood, a small area of a town or the people who live there. Leaf, one of the flat green parts of a plant. Visually, in eyesight. Impaired, damaged or not working normally. Visually impaired, unable to see normally. Unable, not able to do something. Since from a time in the past until a later past time or until now.
Okay, dear students, open your English book and look at page 78. Life is beautiful. Now you will say with this audio.
Listen and read. It's a beautiful spring day. Maria gets up early. She feels happy. She knows that it is a nice day because she puts her hand on the glass of the window. It is very warm. She opens the window and the singing of the birds fills the room. She can smell the flowers outside her room. They smell sweet and fresh. After Maria gets dressed and has her breakfast, she puts her books in her bag. She's ready for school. Maria is a lot like any of the students in her neighborhood. She goes to school and likes to be with her friends. But Maria cannot see the beautiful spring day. She cannot see the flowers, the blue sky, or the singing birds. She cannot see the new green leaves on the tree. She cannot see this because she is visually impaired. She has been unable to see since she was born. Listen and read.
Okay, dear students, now say with me. Life is beautiful. It's a beautiful spring day. Maria gets up early. She feels happy. She knows that it's a nice day because she puts her hand on the glass of the window. It's very warm. She opens the window and the singing of the birds fills the room. She can smell the flowers outside her home. They smell sweet and fresh. After Maria gets dressed and has her breakfast, she puts her books in her bag. Okay, dear students, it's a beautiful spring day. বসন্তের এক সুন্দর দিন. Maria gets up early. Maria সকালবেলা ঘুম থেকে ওঠে. She feels happy. তার খুশি খুশি লাগে. She knows that it's a nice day because she puts her hand on the glass of the window. সে জানে যে এটা সুন্দর একটি দিন কারণ সে তার হাত জানালার কাচের উপর রাখে. It's very warm. এটা বেশ গরম হয়ে আছে. She opens the window. সে তার জানালা খুলে and the singing of the birds fills the room. এবং পাখিদের গানে তার ঘরটা ভরে যায়. She can smell the flowers outside her home. সে তার বাড়ির বাইরের ফুলের সৌরভ নেয়. They smell sweet and fresh. এগুলোর ঘ্রাণ মিষ্টি ও তাজা. After Maria gets dressed and has her breakfast, পোশাক পরা ও সকালে নাস্তা খাওয়ার পর She puts her books in her bag. সে তার ব্যাগে বই ভরে। Okay, next. Maria is a lot like any other students in her neighborhood. She goes to school and like to be with her friends. But Maria cannot see the beautiful spring day. She cannot see the flowers, the blue sky, or the spring birds. She cannot see the new green leaves on the trees. She cannot see these because she is visually impaired. She has been unable to see since she was born. Maria is a lot like any other students in her neighborhood. মারিয়া অনেকাংশে তার এলাকার অন্যান্য শিক্ষার্থীদের মতোই। She go to school and likes to be with her friends. সে স্কুলে যায় আর বন্ধুদের সাথে থাকতে পছন্দ করে। But Maria cannot see, কিন্তু মারিয়া দেখতে পায় না the beautiful spring day, সুন্দর বসন্তের দিন। She cannot see the flowers, সে ফুল দেখতে পায় না। The blue sky, নীল আকাশ দেখতে পায় না। Or the singing birds, এবং গান গাওয়া পাখিগুলোও সে দেখতে পারে না। She cannot see the new green leaves on the tree, সে গাছে নতুন গজানো সবুজ পাতাও দেখতে পায় না। She cannot see this because she is visually impaired, সে এগুলো দেখতে পায় না কারণ সে দৃষ্টি প্রতিবন্ধী। She has been unable to see, সে জন্ম থেকে দেখতে অক্ষম। She has been unable to see since she was born, সে জন্ম থেকে সে দেখতে অক্ষম। Okay, silent reading. Then answer to the following questions in sentence. What can Maria see? How is Maria different from others? What is Maria's problems? Okay, dear students, have a look very carefully these questions. What cannot Maria see? Maria কি দেখতে পারে না? Answer: Maria cannot see the flowers of the blue sky or the singing birds. How is Maria different from others? Answer: Maria is visually impaired. What is Maria's problem? Answer: Maria's problem is that she cannot see. Okay, dear students, always remember it that in which tense the sentence has been questioned, and you have to answer these questions according to this tense. Okay, I hope you are very clear to you now. Choose the right answer. Number 1. What smells sweet and fresh? The flowers, the birds, the window, and the spring. Yes, the flowers. Number 2. Maria is visually impaired. Here the word visually is related. Yes, correct answer is I. Where will Maria go? To market, to school, to park, to her teacher. Correct answer is to school. Dear students, thanks for your correct answer. Now answers the following questions. From when Maria is blind? Answer. Maria has been blind since her birth. B. Where is the flowers? Answer. The flowers are outside her home. Number C. Who cannot see the green leaves on the tree? Answer. Maria cannot see the green leaves on the tree. Next matching. Visually in a eyesight, unable, not able to do something. Leaf. Yes, one of the flat green parts of a plant. Since. From a definite past time until now or before the present time. Okay, thanks.
Homework for today. Write 5 sentences about Maria. I hope you all will complete your homework, and the next class I will see your homework. Okay, thank you everybody, and see you again. Bye bye.